Hi guys, you just caught me pretending to have a bath. Look at this! Bath, shower. This is an ensuite. Let's go check out the bedrooms. ABI Beaumont. It's unreal. Look at it guys, I mean, super storage everywhere, super comfy bed. Oh, it's unbelievable. This is the twin room, 3 foot wide, super comfy beds. Again, loads of storage. Family bathroom in there guys, just in there. Super posh, super modern, it's just stunning. But look at this guys, wow. Whoa, look at that patio door. Oh my goodness, this is just unbelievable. Look at it, what a finish. My favourite bit about this, so look at this. The larder. It's got a light as well. Yes, come on. Washing machine, of course it's got a washing machine, dishwasher, 5-ring gas burner. This, guys, is a stunner. Come on down, you need to come down and have a look at this, and you need to buy it. Thanks for watching.